Here I have Samsung Galaxy A53, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings and enable scan QR codes. And now let's try to scan some QR code, for example this one. So we can just put our camera on this code and the link encoded to this code will appear on the screen. We can open it in browser, for example, and see what page, internet page, is here. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.